Hi everyone. So we have this royal souvenir spice box with us from Spicebay, and we're going to unbox it and see what all we have inside, what all spices we have. So let's go ahead. So here we have around, I think, 6 different spices. I've been told that these are very premium quality spices that are there, and let's look at what they have here. So you could see, like, there's a premium quality cardamom that is available in the market, which has been selected and kept in. We have pepper, good quality pepper. Okay, we have some cinnamon, oh, we have star anise, or we call it karan ka fool or badiyan fool. We have very aromatic, highly aromatic clove, high quality. You can see that. And I think last of all, oh, we got chilies. This is like the Baidigi chilies, very premium quality, which has been selected. So yeah, so that's about it. Thank you.